This Honda Pilot have two stop lights which doesn't work. In this tutorial I will explain how to replace stop lights in Honda Pilot. You have to use such type of screwdriver and you have to remove those two bolts counterclockwise. This bolt and this bolt. When you remove those two bolts, you can easily remove the real light unit from here. It will be like this, but here there is plastic clamps. You have to force it a little bit, just a little bit, and two plastic clamps will disengage out from your way. Then you have to allocate the bulb that is burned. In this case, this bulb in the bottom doesn't work. You have to use your fingertips and to do counterclockwise to remove the bulb. As you can see, the bulb is black. It's burned. You have to remove it as simple as this. And you have to prepare the replacement. While installing the replacement, I recommend you to use the clean glove and never do not touch it with your fingertip. Because if you leave in some kind of fingerprint on it, it's not gonna last you that much long. Always use clean gloves while installing the new bulb. Installation process is the same as you deassemble it. Just snap it in and install it back on. When the bulb is install the rear headlight unit back in place. Firstly, clamp these two clamps. When the clamps are clamped, two of them, the headlight unit is already on place. It's not gonna fail. Put the two screws back on. It's this stop signal, the left one. The right one is burnt as well. It's absolutely identical. You have to remove those two bolts and find the bulb which is burnt. In this case, the upper bulb is burnt, not the lower. Remove those two bolts. You already here, and the second bulb I replaced as well. In first case it was the lower bulb, in the second on the right light it was the upper bulb. It's also a good idea to clean from all this dirt and grease using the wipes before you will install the rear unit back on. When it's completely clean, it's time to install the unit back on. As I mentioned before, firstly clip on those two clips. As you can see, all lights are working. Press stop again. Press stop. Okay, all of them are working. I noticed that one more light is burned. In this case, two lights was burned. That's why I bought two more lights to replace them. In case with the left one, only one was burned. Here, both of them was burned. Yesterday I replaced only one on top, and you see it's completely clear. But this one is a little bit black inside, so it's burnt as well. So basically, when you have a problem with the stop lights, consider that you have approximately 3 bulbs which have defect in them, because each bulb have 2 separate chambers. Like one bulb is like 2 bulbs. Alright, right now 2 of them are totally clear, brand new. Let's assemble everything back on and give it a try. Press brakes. As you can see right now, all of them working. It was 3 defective bulbs that needed to be replaced in this Honda Pilot. Thanks for watching.